Hey party people, welcome to another video. What I want to talk about today is this little contraption or tool called the Optimum Big Red Sponge. It is made for washing your car. There's a lot of guys, including professional detailers, that actually use this to wash a car, for which I am very surprised by. Why does Darren find that surprising that a detailer will use this? Well, how about if we rewind even further than that, which is a manufacturer that actually comes out with a sponge like this that is intended to be used, specifically it was intended to use with the Optimum No-rinse product. What I take issue with is a couple things. One, it's a pretty expensive tool considering it's made out of foam. It's got these cross-cut pattern that's meant to be a strategy, see that will trap the dirt and keep it away from your paint. But essentially it's a flat surface. So think about a dirty car, and you're now going to put this directly onto your car paint that's dirty, and that dirt is going to be trapped between a flat surface and your paint. And now you're going to proceed to wash your car back and forth to break the dirt up so you can wash it off or wipe it up. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm sure someone out there will correct me, because I'm putting this out to you guys. Like, you tell me if this is too much logic applied to the moment, which is, it seems counterintuitive or goes against logic, goes against critical thinking to think that this would be safer than a car wash mitt like this, because in my opinion this is the safest, most friendly to your paint in the act of removing the dirt from your paint. Way to wash your car is with what's called a chenille wash mitt. It's made of microfiber material, but it's got all these little fingers to it. So if you're to place this over the dirt actually has some place to go naturally, rather than this, which is a flat surface, meaning it's not going to go inside these cutouts or these seams in the sponge unless you were to put enough pressure onto it to force the dirt into those little cutouts, into those little seams. So I don't know if you like it, if you're willing to spend 20 bucks, because that's what they cost. I will admit that they're very durable. They're friendly in the fact that they're easy to wring out, they're easy to manage and use, but I would be suspect if there's a way to prove it and quantify it and qualify it. I'm willing to bet that this would prove to be more damaging to your paint than a chenille wash mitt. I could be wrong, but that's just me applying some what I would call deductive reasoning, critical thinking, logic, experience, call it whatever you want. I want to hear from you guys what you think. So let me know what you think about this. Leave it in the comments below.